Hello, today I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the option to press the lower right corner of the touchpad to right-click in Windows 11 and Windows 10. This setting controls how you perform right-click actions on your touchpad. If you find accidental clicks annoying or prefer a different gesture, you can customize it easily through your touchpad settings. Let's get started. Open the search menu, type settings, then click the best match. In the left panel, choose Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down and click on Touchpad. Go to Gestures and Interactions, then click Tapses to expand it. Look for the setting, press the lower right corner of the touchpad to right-click. Check the box to enable or uncheck to disable this feature. Once done, simply close the window. No restart is required. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped. See you in the next tutorial.